Yo, what's good? It's your boy TRENT, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a brand new album reaction by the one and only NBA Youngboy, or Youngboy, NBA, whatever y'all call him now. But anywho, we about to check this album out for the first time. And unlike other YouTubers and reactors, I do not skip the song. I do go track for track, but I do not skip the song. I wait till the end of the song and I give my commentary. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video to get y'all commentary with me. And we about to rock out. You did?
Your fucking panties all in a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
Top song.
Top song.
Chris Jones, what the fuck?
I'm a grimy motherfucker, tell them look, we bang you, what it is you wanna do. Oh, you wanna try, man, I'm gonna show you. And they'll take some of you bitches like they don't do. Dance out the bar, you gotta watch inside the party. She won't fuck, let me record music, make her act retarded, son. It's on, it's on, it's on. It's on, make the boy get out of. It's on, I'm real, it's on. It's on, kill, it's on. It's on, the rude boy, son. It's on, it's on. It's on, jungle son. It's on, jungle son. And there it is. That's top song, NBA Youngboy. You know what I'm saying? That was a good song, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have to grade it low because it had a good little bop on it. And it's only a minute and 40 seconds, you know what I'm saying? That's the only thing I don't like about these new rappers. They wanna go ahead and make these short ass songs so you can keep on replaying and shit. And some of this shit don't got replay value. I can hear this whole playing in the club, not saying it's a good song. It is. I'm gonna give it a 7 just because it was a good song, but it was too short, so that's a 7. But anywho, tell me what y'all think about this song, what y'all think about the album, what's y'all favorite song on the album, and first subscribe to my channel, and then follow me on all social media platforms at Lil Trent Music. You know what I'm saying? If you rocking with me, rocking with this album, go ahead, click the next video. If not, I'll holler.